Hey guys, I'm here with another unboxing. I have the help of Tootsie today. She's helping, she just doesn't know it yet. So, you remember a little while ago, I did an unboxing of a Chetki from the Ukraine with the help of a little ninja. Remember the dude that had the little scarf? So I'm still learning how to do the bead thing, but this thing's baller. Look at it. It's from Workshop Fidgets on Etsy, and he's from the Ukraine. But he actually has, oh God, ow. Okay, Tootsie. Okay. He actually has, I guess some place in the US where he has a warehouse and he can have stuff shipped from there, so it's not as long shipping. So I did this whole review on this thing, which was really baller. I really love it. And he saw the review and he was like, dude, I loved it. Here, I want to send you something else as a gift. And I'm like, dude, you don't have to do that. And he's like, no, I want to. And I was like, okay, cool. So that's this. He said he was making it special. So, I don't even think I need a knife, do I? Maybe. You know, Kevin, if you ever watch this, this is the knife I always think of when I use. Think of you. I think of you. Okay. All right. I'm scared. It says Pocket Toys. Wow, they really shoved this thing in this little baggie here. But it'll make the trip from the Ukraine really easy. So I don't even know what this is. Tootsie. Why? Why do you have to do this? Okay. Oh my God, bruh. Okay. Sometimes we call her neck sucker because she just lays on you and sucks your neck. Oh, kind of like a vampire. All her hair is getting everywhere. Okay. Are you ready? I can start to see it. Workshop Fidgets. Oh. I don't know what I just dropped. Did I just drop something? No, it was just the thing that said Pocket Toys. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a cute little box. Oh, okay, cool. Okay, all right, let's see. Oh, wow. All right, Tootsie, you need to get down. I've got hair everywhere now. Okay. Okay. What does this say? Workshop Fidgets. Oh my God. Best wishes for Mel. That's cool, thank you. Okay, and then we have this. This looks like a knuckle bone. Have you guys ever heard of that? Ooh. Oh, wow, it's heavy. Holy shit. So these things, I'm sure you've seen them. Oh, fuck. It's another type of skill toy. So you have to move your knuckles in a way that make it go sideways down your arm. Okay, bro. Ugh, I suck at it. But I'm gonna practice. Okay, look at it. Wow. Wow. That thing is nice. I'm gonna have to show Sheba. She's sleeping, but I'm gonna wake her up. I think there's something in here. Aw. Bro. This is the greatest thing ever. Wow, bro. I love it. I think this could be like my insignia, my design of my brand, EDC Fidget. This thing is so freaking awesome. Wow. That's so nice. Sheba, get up. Get up, Sheba. Sheba, get up. Get up. I need to show you something. Get up. Look. Sheba. Sheba. Can you look at this? Oh my God, Sheba, this thing is the best thing ever. Okay. Sheba, she likes it. Here, look at the knuckle bone. Hey. Okay, and last thing. Can you stop eating those and look at this shit? Hey, look. Oh my God, bro. There's more than just that. Look at this. Hey, you're supposed to look at it, not eat it. Don't fall. Don't fall. Oh my God, bro. Here you go. Thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Look at this thing. EDC Fidget. I love it. Shit. Didn't drop it all the way. Oh my God. Sheba, are you destroying something back here? Bro. Look at that thing. EDC Fidget. That's the greatest thing ever. Thank you. Ew, don't do what, no. Just put the foot down. Yeah, don't do that. Look at that. Best wishes for Mel. Look at that. Sheba, let's pose for these. Sheba. Thank you so much. Oh shit, I just realized this I thought was like a magnet because it was sticking to the pen. And I was like, oh cool, I could put it in the fridge, but it's got two sides. It's a slider. Bro. Oh my God, I've got a custom EDC Fidget slider. This is the best gift I've ever gotten in my life. A custom EDC Fidget slider. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. This is the greatest thing ever. God, thank you so much.